Hi guys, this is Kemuro. Today I'd like to implement biometric authentication for Android using Jetpack Compose. I will keep the code and implementation minimum so that this is easier for developers to adapt this to their own project. Implementation steps is as follows. 1. Create Android app with Jetpack Compose template. 2. Set up dependencies at build.gradle module app. 3. Main activity to fragment component. 4. Create view with biometric prompt and callback. So let's get started. Step 1. Create Android app with Jetpack Compose template. This should be no problem. One point is that it is a lot easier to create project from this template. You can also choose an empty project to start with. Then you need to add Jetpack Compose dependencies by yourself, which is a little bit tedious steps. Step 2. Set up dependencies at build.gradle at app level. For dependencies, open the Gradle file from app module level, then simply add biometric dependencies like this. So 2 lines added and that's it. Go to the next step. Step 3. Inherit main activity from fragment activity. In order to use biometric prompt later on, main activity needs to be inherited from fragment activity. So main activity class is modified as follows. It is inherited from fragment activity here. That's it. Go to the next step. Step 4. Create view with biometric prompt and callback. View is created as greeting function with composable notation with biometric prompt. Biometric prompt is created as follows. Biometric prompt.promptinfo.builder to instantiate prompt info. Instantiate biometric prompt with activity. Write callback to biometric prompt. Error succeeded fail. 4. Call biometric prompt.authenticate in launched effect as this view launched. Since biometric prompt needs activity and executor to instantiate, get those in the composer view. Then create prompt info with biometric prompt.promptinfo.builder. Here we can set prompt title, subtitle, required authenticator method. Then instantiate biometric prompt with activity executor. Here we need to set callback for authentication result. Right here, I'm simply adding the toast, if it's fail or not. At the end, launch effect is called with unit. Launch effect called only once when this view is instantiated, with 500 millisecond delays. That's it. Once you build the application, you go to this greeting screen. Then Face ID authentication should be prompted. If you are using emulator, you need to set up fingerprint in your emulator. Android prepare 10 fingerprints for you. So we need to register one of them in emulator device to enable fingerprint authentication as you do in your physical device. For detail, take a look at the YouTube video. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave the comment below. In my channel, I provide a tutorial for iOS, Android, or web, and anything related to software product development, for prototyping, so please subscribe it. Thanks. See you guys in the next video. Happy prototyping. Bye bye.